The 10 hours intensive driving course is suitable for a well-experienced driver who just wants to fine-tune their driving skills to be able to pass the driving test. The 5 key skills needed for 10 hours intensive course are: Number 1. You have already taken over 45 hours of driving lessons or had lots of private practice. Number 2. You have driven independently without help in busy traffic conditions. Number 3. You can deal with various types of junctions, like crossroads and roundabouts with multiple lanes and road marking. Number 4. You can drive independently, using sat-nav or following traffic signs. Number 5. You should be able to have good clutch control to carry out all reverse maneuvers with 80% accuracy. At Driving Solution, we do our own intensive driving courses. Compare to other intensive course providers who act as an agent to find you a driving instructor and charge hundreds of pounds in commissions. Book direct with us and save. For more information or online booking, see our website www.drivingsolution.co.uk or contact us by phone or WhatsApp on 01604 454586 or find us on Facebook.